Hi everyone, this is Ellie with her EDucator.
So warning, this is going to be a little confusing, I think, but I'll try and say it in simple terms. So basically, to start off, this was an industry-based thesis, and I think that's an important part of it, that it's very applicable to an oil and gas company, I guess. So process control systems on a well site. Kind of a very removed topic, something I didn't know too much about before I started getting involved and learning about this sort of stuff. So basically, we want to be able to test the performance of the control system without actually being on site. So you want to be able to simulate values of pressure transmitter readings, for example, and simulate that value to the controller and check if the alarm, the pressure high alarm goes. So essentially kind of monitoring the performance, I guess. So the idea of the EDucator is that it's a simulation platform where a user can input values into a web interface. So there's like a picture shown here, so you can turn on simulation mode, write a value to a specific instrument, which is read by the controller, and test the operation of the system. So the idea is that the controller could be connected to an overarching SCADA system. So SCADA is supervisory control and data acquisition. So basically it monitors the condition of a site. So a controller in an operating room can sit there and look at the level on a tank of the water and see if it's too high or whatever. So just monitors that. So the controller can be connected to that, and I can be sitting here simulating values, and the controller will be like, oh, that's a bit weird, because I'm actually simulating them. So it was a highly software-based project, despite the hardware that's in front of me. And the major challenge was actually communicating with that controller. So it's a Honeywell RC500 controller. And it's actually pretty hard to write to the hardware registers of that to actually simulate a device rather than reading the input straight from an analog input, say. So yeah, that's kind of the basis of my thesis project. I've learned a lot. If you want to come and learn more about it, come speak to me, because certainly there's a lot more I can say. So yeah, thanks.